Hi, my name is Simon Bell. I'm from Design Buds. We're an internet marketing and SEO specialist. Now, I want to talk to you today about some simple SEO tips we've put together just to try and help you out with your website. Now, what is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving a website's performance to appear higher up in the search engine results. So, essentially, you've got a website and you want it to appear higher up in Google when people are searching for your website, for the services that you offer. Now, I'm going to cover in this presentation what are your keywords that you're currently using on your website. I want to look at the structure of your website, how your website is basically put together, and how Google and other search engines will be looking at your website. I want us to calculate the keyword density for the keywords on each page of your website and make sure you've got the right level of a repetition for each keyword. We'll be looking at how to build high quality inbound links, where to get those links from. We'll be looking at anchor text as well. Anchor text is basically, I'm sure you're aware, it's the text that appears. If you have a link on a website, it's the text that appears when you click on that link, and that's very important for keyword optimization. And then we'll briefly just be covering no-follow tags as well, because we just need to know what they are. They are useful at times, but also based on what they mean and what they're doing. So let's move on to your keywords. What are they, and how do you find out? How do you find out where they are? So your keywords, each page on your website has keywords that are defined to that page that you can set in the HTML. The HTML is basically the language, the hypertext markup language that makes up your website. It's what your internet browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox will see. So here's just a snippet of the code on our website, and I'll show you our website now, if I can. This is our website, designbuds.com. And all I'm doing is just right-clicking, and I'm going to view the source of our website. And this, what you're seeing now, is the HTML. This is what our website is made up of in pure code format. And at the top here, just a couple of lines down, you've got the meta name keywords, and there you've basically got a list of the keywords that we're currently using on our website. So we've got web design, SEO, branding, internet marketing, and search engine optimization. So you can do a similar thing for your website to find out what keywords you're currently using. So looking more specifically at those keywords, they need to be relevant to your website. Obviously, if you've got a website all about sunglasses, there's no point in using keywords such as monitors or cars or glasses, whatever. It needs to be related to your website. And each keyword needs to have a strong audience. That is, there needs to be a good number of people per month that are searching for your keywords. Now, to show you an example of what I mean by this, if you go to the Google keyword tool, you can access this just by typing in the Google keyword tool into Google, and type in whatever your keyword is. Now, as I say, I've gone for sunglasses, just as an example. And if we scroll down the list, we'll see that sunglasses, which is here, is searched for 11 million times each month. Now that's great. Obviously, if we can base your website on the keyword sunglasses, that's great. But what you always need to look at is the level of competition. Chances are a lot of people are also going to be looking at that keyword. So there's almost no point in even trying to use that keyword. It's way too competitive. So what you might want to do is to kind of find more of a niche key phrase. So something that still has sunglasses in, you're still using sunglasses, but narrowing it down into more of a niche key phrase. One of the ones that I found on here earlier, which was quite a good one, was biker sunglasses. Biker sunglasses has 2,900 searches per month. So that possibly could be a good one to go for, because it's got a good number of searches, 2,900, basically 3,000 searches per month. That's the right sort of level that you want to be going for. But the next thing that you need to be looking at is the competition, because it's one thing having a good, strong audience for your keyword, but you then need to assess how strong is the competition for that particular keyword. So for that, there's two methods that I use. I calculate the average Google page rank for each keyword, and I also look at the keyword effectiveness index, or the KE index, the KEI. So looking first at the average Google page rank, say for example our key phrase is biker sunglasses. Just go into Google and type in biker sunglasses, and obviously you get a list of results. Now each of these web pages has assigned to it a page rank, which is basically Google's way of measuring how important the website is from 0 to 10. 10 being very, very popular, and 0 being no one's really heard of this website, essentially. So that top one there, original KDS, or KDs, biker sunglasses. I'm going to use a tool, a website that I use, which is prchecker.info. And earlier on I typed in originalkds.com, and it's got a page rank of 3. Now you basically want to repeat this process for every result that appears on Google, ignoring the shopping results, and you might sometimes get YouTube results or news results, ignoring them, just focusing on the 10 main results that you get. For each website, copy and paste it into prchecker.info, and that will give you its page rank. Add up all the page ranks and divide it by 10, and that gives you the average page rank for each page. And I mean, biker sunglasses has an average page rank of 1.2, which is pretty good because I generally look for keywords or key phrases that have an average page rank of less than 3. So that's a good one to go for. So we've got the average Google page rank, so for biker sunglasses, it's 1.2. So the next thing to look at is the keyword effectiveness index. That is calculated quite simply. It's also called the demand satisfaction ratio. It's the number of results divided by the number of searches. So if we go to the Google keyword tool, biker sunglasses, it's on here somewhere. Biker sunglasses, there it is, it was right in front of my face, has 2,900 searches per month. So that's the number of searches. Then going into Google, the best method that I use for working this out is to type in the little secret. It's basically all in title, type into the Google search, and then biker sunglasses. And what that does, it works out how many pages out there have the actual term biker sunglasses. It just appear in the title, just in this bit here, because that generally defines more of an accurate page. If it's got it in the title, it's more reliable to know. So the results for biker sunglasses, we can see we've got pretty much 27,000 results that have come back for that. So to calculate the KEI, it's the number of results, which is 27,000, divided by the number of searches, which is 2,900, which comes out to be 9.3, which is a pretty good number to go on. Anything less than 20, I would usually consider a good keyword to be going for. So the average page rank for the term biker sunglasses, as the example that we're using, it's got the average page rank of less than 3, it's 1.2, and the KEI is less